Have you heard of ASMR? ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It's a special feeling some people get. It feels tingly and relaxing. We don't know exactly when ASMR was discovered. People probably felt it for a long time, but they didn't have a name for it. Now lots of people are talking about ASMR. Many things can cause ASMR. These are called triggers. Some triggers are sounds. Others are things you see. Let's learn more about ASMR triggers. Sounds are some of the most popular ASMR triggers. Whispering is a big one. Hearing someone whisper can be very relaxing. Tapping is another common trigger. The sounds of tapping on different surfaces can tingle. Think of tapping on wood, glass, or even fingernails. People also like crinkling sounds. This could be the sound of crinkling paper or leaves. Brushing sounds can also be relaxing, like brushing hair. Sounds are not the only triggers. Visual triggers use sight to create ASMR. Hand movements are very popular. Watching someone's hands move slowly can be very calming. Light patterns can also be triggers. Imagine soft moving lights. These can create a sense of peace. Some people enjoy watching someone draw or write. The slow, deliberate movements can be very satisfying. Why do people like ASMR? It can help you relax. Many people use it to de-stress. ASMR can also help you fall asleep. Want to try ASMR? You need headphones and a quiet place. Find a video with triggers you like. Close your eyes and enjoy the tingles. There are many ASMR creators online. Try searching for ASMR on YouTube. Start with videos of whispering or tapping. You might discover your new favorite way to relax.